Okay, and we are live once again. Welcome back to Can Linux. So today I'm going to do Lubuntu. This is a pretty lightweight distro. Uses the LXQt, not LXDE, LXQt desktop environment, and that's just slapped on Ubuntu. It's an official flavor of Ubuntu. Now, I asked around and did a poll, and half of all people who voted wanted, well, it was a tie between this and Commodore OS. Now, Commodore OS, I watched an Explaining Computers video recently, and I was like, oh shit, I gotta cover that because it's hilarious. But I'll tell you why I don't necessarily recommend it when I cover it, but that's going to be a special episode either this Sunday or next Thursday. But it's a funny little distro. Somebody else commented that they want me to cover Kali Linux, maybe in a special episode. That's a little bit outside my scope. My scope is desktop Linux, and but then again, I might go ahead and do an episode on setting up like a Nextcloud server or something. You know, just try my hand at it because I wasn't able to do it successfully the last time I tried. So yeah, maybe I'll cover it again in a special episode. The reason I say it's outside my scope is because it may technically be desktop Linux. It may technically have a full desktop environment, but it's for penetration testing. I don't know how to use most of the tools that come with it. And the Kali team even say, don't install it to a hard disk, just keep it on a thumb drive and use it that way. So, you know, like, you can install it to a hard drive, but they say not to. So, you know, that's kind of why I say it's a little bit outside of my scope. But again, maybe in a future special episode. All right, well, let's get started. I'm a little limited on time today. Come on. Come on. Do not adjust. Oh, okay, there we go. Ooh, that's nice. Powered by Lubuntu. I like that. That's a cute little logo there. Okay. And we're still waiting. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Okay, we have mouse. We have mouse cursor. The mouse is in. Come on. There we go. Okay. Okay. So we're not going to turn on Wi-Fi. Okay. We're not going to try Lubuntu. I'm just going to go ahead and install it. That launches into the live CD, and I'm assuming you can install it from there. Okay. And I believe this is Calamares, rather than the usual Ubiquity installer that comes with Ubuntu flavors. And we are indeed in New York. I'm sorry if you can't see this. This is, maybe I should have gotten to the live CD and changed it. But this is just a standard Calamares installer. Okay, we're gonna just do a full installation. We're gonna see what comes with it. I'm gonna explain the options here just in case. So full installation comes with all applications in the normal installation and all third-party extras listed below. That's Element, which is an end-to-end encrypted messenger, Thunderbird, the email client, Virtual Machine Manager, and Krita. Okay, and then the normal installation is just without those, and then minimal installation is desktop environment only. Okay. Note, Ubuntu and flavors are not responsible for the third-party software installed from this list. Well, okay then. Alright, next. We're going to erase disk. Because we just want to nuke and pave. Okay, what's your name? Stan Stock. Not Stan Talk, but Stan Stockfoot. Not Stan S. We're just going to go with Stan. Ubuntu. And my super secret password that I totally did not accidentally say on a whole bunch of episodes. Okay, next. We're going to install. Yes, install now. It's just asking to confirm. Look, the fucking slideshow is so tiny. I should have gotten into the live CD and brought it back down to 1080p. But I guess I just forgot about that. I forgot about the fiasco with Debian last time. So, all right, I'm gonna pause here, pause the recording here, and when we come back, we'll restart and go into Lubuntu proper. Well, guess what? So turns out that that whole thing with the extra packages, that was a bad idea. So we're just gonna fucking start over. I hit cancel on the installer and it kicked me to the desktop here. So I took the opportunity to go ahead and we're just going to go through normal installation. Fuck these snap packages. Okay. Okay. All right, why is it forcing me to... God damn it. Oh, don't tell me I have to fucking... Okay, you know what? I'm gonna just restart and see if... And we'll see if it installed anyway. All right, remove the installation medium and press enter, it says. Enter. And now I'm going to take a sip from my zero sugar Dr. Pepper. It's a very scientific drink. Come on. Come back up. And hopefully we'll have a bootable operating system, even though I didn't let it finish. I really don't... Oh, it's booting. It's booting. Ooh, yes. Hell yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Log in. Log in. There we go. Okay. So to bring this down to 1080p, you go to LXQt settings, then down to monitor settings, and 1080p, 1920 by 1080. Bye! Yes! Yes, they are. Yes, yes, okay. All right. Okay, that was notifications. We got Bluetooth. Here, sure. So that's a Bluetooth settings manager. Let's go to... Oh, hey, it automatically put in for HDMI. Hell yeah. Wait, hold on. Let me see here. Let's open up Firefox. And, ooh, that's rough. Extensions and themes. Let's go to block. We're just going to test the audio here. I got to put my condom on. Okay. Scarlet Fire. This is a common song used to test audio things on YouTubes. Okay, is it playing? No, it is not fucking playing. Okay. Okay, what is going on here? Okay, what the fuck? What is going on here? Okay, it needs to output to the fucking HDMI. Needs to output to HDMI. How do I switch it? How the fuck do I switch this? My God. What does this even do? Block channels together, set as fallback. There we go. Okay. Jesus Christ. Ugh. So if you have this particular computer or a computer with a similar issue where it defaults to the 3.55 millimeter jack instead of the you know, whatever, instead of the HDMI, that's how you do it. You just keep clicking mute until it works, I guess. Oh, that's an old one. Okay. I like dank pods, but that's an old video. I was like, oh, did he make a new one? No. At least that one wasn't a new one. Okay. Alright, well, let's see here. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, so by default, this is a sort of a Windows-style taskbar. You've got a launcher for the file manager. Here's the file manager. Here's all your files. This is PCman FM. This is the default that comes with LXQt or LXDE. Yeah, see? PCman FM Qt. It is pronounced cute, not QT, I believe. So, yeah. So LXQt used to be LXDE, and then LXDE and the Razer Qt project merged. And I think LXDE is still kind of sort of maintained as like a legacy option. But it's, you know, what was I going to say? I don't know what I was going to say. So it comes with a fair bit of stuff. Hey, 2488. Oh man, I love this game. I could be here for hours playing this. I probably shouldn't though. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Installing Lubuntu just because it comes with 2048. I can't figure out how to install software, so I installed a distro that had 2048 pre-installed. That'd be silly. Alright, let's put an end to this. Yep. Okay. We've got the desktop icons, we got computer. Okay, and I guess these are all just file system links. Here's the link to the home folder. Here's the trash. And here's the manual. Let me see here. What? Okay, so it just opens up Firefox. Yeah, no, I'm good on that front. Okay, so you have an easy way to the manual, but I don't need no stinking manual. Right, and here's the desktop switcher. It comes with 4 desktops by default. Feather pad. That's a text thing. See, it's basically Notepad. Discard changes, please. Thank you. There's a KDE calculator here. A lot of this stuff is KDE stuff. But let's get into some customization. Okay. So system tools. Oh, they have HTOP pre-installed. HTOP is a nice little command line type deal that it's basically task manager. And a lot of Linux distros, you know, they either have it in their repos or they come with it pre-installed. Usually, I think they just come with it in the repos, the software repositories, I should say. SDDM. What's SDDM? Huh. I don't know what SDDM is. Okay. Anyway. Okay. So LXQt setting. Let's do appearance. Let's see here. Apply. What? Oh, okay. Oh, that's fugly. Ew, gross. What's Fusion look like? That's better. Papyrus. Okay, so I should explain what Qt and GTK are. So KDE uses Qt, GNOME uses GTK, XFCE uses GTK, LXDE used to use GTK, and then they merged with RazorQt to become LXQt, and now they use Qt. What else is there? What are GTK and Qt? They're toolkits, basically. You as a user just need to know that sometimes if you're on a Qt desktop, GTK applications will look a little weird, and sometimes if you're on a GTK desktop, sometimes Qt applications will look a little weird. Sometimes. Oh shit. Okay, if you scroll on the background, it'll do that. It'll scroll through the desktops. Okay. So, GTK2 theme. Okay. And then GTK3 theme will be Breeze Dark. Okay. Ooh, ambiance. Oh god, the wallpaper is bright! I just checked this use wallpaper provided by theme. Arch colors. Arch Linux? Oh my god. Okay. This is not Arch Linux. This is Ubuntu. This is like, some would say the opposite of Arch Linux. I would not say that because there's no such thing as opposites in Linux, I guess. Maybe there is. I don't know. Depends on what you'd call an opposite. Here's clear looks. That's a nice wallpaper. What's dark? Ooh, it has a transparent bar. Look at that. Frost. Oh shit. I double clicked it instead of clicking apply. KDE Plasma. Kvantum. How do I go to dark mode? Oh, that's a nice wallpaper. Leech. Ooh, look at that. Light. Oh, that's also a nice wallpaper. Silver. Somber et rond. Fancy. Even though it doesn't come with its own wallpaper. System. We saw that wallpaper before. Valendis. Oh, this also comes with its... Oh, no, this is a different wallpaper, I think. Win 11 Dark. Ew, look at that. All the text on the menu bar is clipping. Ugh. Well, let's go with dark. And font, we'll just leave it at Ubuntu. Cursor is... Okay, I think it's Breeze is the current theme. So... Let's make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, there we go. Oh, shit. What? Okay. Alright, that's enough playing with that. How do I make it go dark mode? How do I get the dark mode? I don't see anything else. What's alternatives configurator? Oh, for like... I don't know. I don't know what that is. I thought about it for a second, and I'm like, I don't know what that is. Openbox settings. What's this? What's Nightmare? Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Syscrash. Oring. So this is like the... Yeah. ArtWiz box. Let's see here. Huh. Oh, okay. Well, how do I run a dock app? Eh. Okay. Well, I haven't used LXDE in a long time. I think I've talked previously about how I had a... Well, I still have the Chromebook, but my first foray into Linux was using Crouton on a Chromebook on an Acer C720 back in like 2015. And that was really fun experience. But I mainly used LXDE on that, and I haven't used this. I haven't used this since they switched to LXQt. Wassel IRC, never heard of that one. Of course, you know IRC. It's a internet relay chat. LX Image Queue. I think that's just the image viewer. Yeah, that's the image viewer. LibreOffice scroll, ocular, screen grab, huh? Okay. Wait, hold on. We got a print screen? Okay. So... Okay, so there's an option to edit it in a program. Oh dear God. Well, how do I take this screenshot though? I'd like to take another screenshot, please. What? Oh, you can't see it, but this is... I can't see it, at least, on my screen, but, this is actually a life preserver, not a target symbol. I thought this was like a target. I was like, oh, is this for, to take the picture? No, it's a life preserver. Here, help. Help me, please. Okay, it's very simple. Okay. New screen. Okay. Oh, that's the wrong one. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, see, okay, I see. I get it. I still prefer the GNOME screenshot tool. It's way better. That's kind of... That feels really clunky. I don't know if I ever showed off the GNOME screenshot tool, but it's pretty smooth to use. Of course, we also have Redshift. Redshift. Yeah. Oh, here it is. Oh, okay. Okay. So I guess we're using Wayland, and it doesn't work with Wayland. Okay, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. Jesus Christ. Oh, Xcompositor. Noble Note. It's another text editor. Why does it have two text editors? Yeah, that's fine. Keep it in there. Oh, you know what this is? This is just... Yeah, this is like a note-taking app. It's not actually a text editor. I mean, it kind of is a text editor, but it's not in the same vein as like Notepad on Windows is. In the same way Featherpad is. Tech info. So, oh, it opens up in the terminal. So tech is it's not pronounced text, it's pronounced tech. And you might have also heard of LaTeX, which you might have pronounced previously as latex. It's LaTeX because that X looking thing is actually the Greek letter. I think it is. It's pronounced like not. It's not pronounced like X. It's pronounced like ah. You gotta it. You gotta sound like you're hacking up a hairball. But yeah, no, tech is like a typesetting tool, kind of like Markdown, but I believe tech is a lot older. So yeah, okay. Seriously, how do I get dark mode though? What do I do? PyCom? Window types, backend, advanced. Okay, that's a little bit over my head there. Of course, Discover is like the KDE App Store. Yeah, there you go. Beautiful, no nonsense music player. Oh, I've never heard of this. Oh, it's a KDE project. Here, we'll install that. Oh, yes, I am Unix user Stan. Except I'm not, because Linux is Unix-like, not Unix. Sorry, I am nothing if not pedantic. I love how the screenshots are just black dots. Look at that. Let's see here. Oh, hey. Oh, it comes with Pulse Audio volume control and VLC media player by default. Okay, so we'll go ahead and launch this and see what it's all about. Okay. Well, I don't really have any music on here. Oh, you can do radio stations. I'm afraid to turn any of these on in case there's copyright music that'll get me copyright struck on here. So we're just gonna back off that. Okay, but that was internet radio stations, obviously. XScreenSaver. So so the guy who makes XScreenSavers, he's a pretty interesting guy, but he kind of has a bone to pick with at least Debian and probably a whole bunch of others. Let's see here. Yeah, Jamie Zawinski, 2003. So I don't know if he has a bone to pick with Lubuntu/Ubuntu. What is this? What did it open this up? Oh, GL Matrix. Okay, so this is 2023 version 6.8. Oh, fuck. You stole it from my view. Help. Let's see here. JLW. JLWX screensaver. By the way, you can get XScreenSaver for Android, and it's a really neat little app. I use it for my lock screen and my background. Okay. Frequently asked questions. Control F. Debian. Okay. Okay, so the latest version is 6.12. What version is this? God damn it, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to click About. 6.08. So I guess old JWZ is also has a problem with Ubuntu as well. Yeah. So yeah, very opinionated, very interesting guy, but I won't hold that against him. He definitely does seem like a decent person, as far as I could tell. But you know. Let's see here. Okay, so the terminal is Q terminal. I've never heard of this. Is this a KDE project? About. No, it's an LXQt project. I forget what the terminal in LXDE was called. See, 2013 to 2022. Yeah, I forget what the old... Oh, it was called LX Terminal. That's what it was called. Let's see here. What else do I want to talk about? Well, let's get back into customization a little bit. Actually, you know what? First things first. LXQt dark mode. Okay. G local 4 years ago. Tell me your secrets. Okay, sudo apt install adwaita qt 3 years ago. Oh, here. Oh, this is current. Yeah. Okay. Lenovo G50. What is Lenovo G50? What is a Lenovo G50? Ah, good riddance. Fuck that guy. So with Charlie Kirk, I mean, you know, couldn't have happened to a better fucking person. You know, like, you know, I believe I quote Jeremy Clarkson when I say, "Oh no." Anyway, yeah, seriously, guy was in the middle of dog whistling for right wing racism. So, you know, I mean, sucks for his kids that they basically had to watch him die. But and I do definitely fear the right wing backlash a little bit. But then again, I thought Donald Trump's assassination attempt would be another burning of the Reichstag, and that didn't happen either. So who the fuck knows? What was I doing? Oh, Lenovo G50. Lenovo G50. What is a Lenovo G50? Oh, okay. Oh, look, it's a real laptop. It has a VGA. Is that a VGA port? I think that's a VGA port. It has a VGA port and an Ethernet port, one of those little ones that kind of fold out. My current laptop has one of those, actually. It's a Lenovo as well. That's my main laptop that I'm using to record right now. A couple of USB ports and an HDMI port. Okay. Yeah, that's a pretty old boy. So this one, this guy's using Arch Linux, but here we'll let's see here. We'll Jesus Christ, hold on. I really don't like this style of menu, because what I do is I go over here and then it goes away because my hands are not steady. Like, look, like that. So so something like the Breeze menu in Mate or the Whisker menu in XFCE, that's more my style in terms of start style launcher menus. Or like Cinnamon's default start menu. Or start style menu, I guess you would call it. What was I doing? Terminal. Q terminal. Oh, wait. You can have it drop down. Hold on. Wait. System tools. Holy shit! Fuck yeah! Okay. Hold on. Preferences. Drop down. Okay. We want it 100%. Yeah. And preferences. Drop down. Let's drop this down to 30. Apply. Yeah, that's good. Can we make this opaque or transparent? Hell yeah. Semi-transparency. Hell yeah. Look at that. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. And if I press F12, nice. Okay, cool. All right. But okay, what was I installing? Sudo apt install. So remember, sudo is just to run something. It's just like running a program as administrator, like in Windows. apt is the package manager. Packages are just bits of software that are ready to be installed and used. Kvantum manager. Okay. And install, you know what install does. Okay, so what we're going to do actually is apt search Kvantum so that I know the name of the package. Okay then. Okay, you know what? We're just going to try the Discover store. Discover. Kvantum. Hey! So what is this? Is this a snap or not working on KD6? Well, that sucks. Yeah, there's some screen tearing here. This may work better on your hardware. Your mileage may vary. I don't want to say that, you know, you shouldn't use Lubuntu, because on my particular machine it doesn't, it kind of messes up. But yeah, this is not a great showing for this distro. Okay, we can launch this. Okay. That looks cute. Okay, let's see here. Appearance. Oh, okay. Apply. Hey. Okay, why did I install this? I could have just installed a theme. Okay. Well, here, we'll revert to that, and then... What did they recommend for a dark theme? And dark looks fantastic, with the help of Kvantum. Oh, okay, it's just... Okay. Let's see here. Okay. We're just going to try this. Okay. Okay, we're just going to search dark and theme. Oh. Okay. Here, we'll just, okay. Okay, you know what? I'm done fucking with this. Like I said, we're short on time today, so we're just gonna... Yeah, why don't they just make it easy? Why isn't there a dark theme installed by default? Okay, so first things first, we're going to move this to the top. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna move it to the left just because in LXDE, the menu, the taskbar did like this thing when you moved it to the side where it like looked fucking hideous. Oh, that left of desktop. Okay, it doesn't look hideous. Well, okay, that looks kind of rough. This bit right here. But we can fix. I'm sure we can fix that. Okay, styling. Let's see here. Widgets. Okay. So I believe we, in order to let's see here. Main menu settings. Oh, you can use a custom icon. If I had any forethought, I would have had a custom icon ready to go, but I don't. Would have been funny. Let's see here. Desktop switcher, quick launch. Can I do anything with this? No. Okay. Here, we'll just put that back. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. You have to use the buttons. Okay. Delete that. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, okay, there we go. But I don't really need that right now. So we'll just oh, can I just do this? Yeah, there we go. And then Firefox. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Task manager. That's that. Settings. Oh, we can close on middle click. That's good. Show only windows from current desktop. That's nice. That's a good idea. You can also choose a single desktop to do it from, but that might get confusing fast if you don't have multiple task managers on the taskbar. Let's see here. Sure, why not? Okay. And then to make it look better on when we put it on the side, we can just do icon. We can just do only icons, and they're still the same width. Okay. Oh, wait. Let's do 10. Oh, that's 100. Damn it. 100. Or that's the height. Okay, let's do that. Oh, that didn't work either. Oh, that did work. Okay. But let's do 50. It only takes effect if we switch it. There's no apply button. Damn it. Okay. Oh, and it resets everything. That's also nice. Ah, God. Okay, close. Okay, so that's removable media. We don't have anything there. Volume control, system tray, world clock. Okay. What else do we have? Backlight. So that's the brightness. Color picker. Okay. Custom command. So that just runs a bash command. Desktop switcher, directory menu. Keyboard state indicator. Panel DOM. I don't know what the fuck that means. Keywise. That's that. And then task manager, we were just futzing about with that. Okay. I'm assuming you can add more, you can put in more widgets. There we go. We got a little eyes that follow our cursor on the taskbar now. Okay. So yeah, is there anything else I wanted to talk about here for show? And it is disappointing that they didn't think to add in a dark theme, because, you know, I would like a fucking dark theme. Hold on. Okay, so you can manually do it. But that seems like hell. Yeah, there's really nothing else that I really want to do here, which is good because, like I said, short on time. So yeah, Lubuntu. If you have old hardware, you can try it. There hasn't been 32-bit installers for a while now. So if your computer was made before, I want to say 2007, you might want to double check whether it has a 32-bit or 64-bit processor. But I believe after 2007, except for like those little netbooks, you're usually pretty good. I think. Because I think there were like some Intel Atoms that were in tiny little netbooks that were still 32-bit after 2007. Otherwise, everything else was 64-bit. So you don't really have to worry about that for anything other than like really old stuff. So yeah, but yeah, I mean, as you can see, it didn't really perform all that well. I'm a little bit disappointed, but hey, it's worth a shot if you need something with a lot of very low if you need a distro for something with very low resources. Right. But in future, and this will probably be the next normal episode, we will be covering Ubuntu, which I'll probably like better, and it's another fantastic option if you have something with low specs. So yeah, we'll talk about that not next Thursday, but the Thursday after, because I do want to have a every other week schedule, but I just can't stop making videos. So yeah, either this Sunday or next Thursday, we will have the Commodore OS 3 special episode, and you'll see why I want to make that a special episode and why I don't mention that I don't really necessarily recommend Commodore OS 3 for most people. But yeah, we'll see yous all next time. Have a nice day.